Hey everyone, you're sitting at your desk, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly a thought hits you. What if I could invest in global stocks and ETFs from the comfort of my home? Building context. In today's world, investing has become more accessible than ever. One platform that has gained significant popularity is Newton. Newton is a commission-free investment platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks and ETFs from around the world. But how do you actually get started with Newton? Step 1. Download the Newton app. The first step is to download the Newton app from your device's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and tap on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Create your account. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. After entering your details, you'll need to create a strong password to secure your account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Newton takes security very seriously, so you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves taking a photo of your ID card or passport. Step 4. Fund your account. Before you can start investing, you'll need to fund your Newton account. Newton offers various funding methods, including bank transfers, debit card, and credit card. Step 5. Explore the platform. Once your account is funded, you can start exploring the Newton platform. The app's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you should be able to navigate it easily. Step 6. Choose your investments. Newton offers a wide range of stocks and ETFs from different countries and industries. You can use the app search function to find specific investments or browse through different categories. Step 7. Place your order. When you've found an investment you want to buy, you'll need to place an order. Simply enter the number of shares you want to buy and confirm your order. Step 8. Track your investments. After you've placed an order, you can track the performance of your investments in the Newton app. The app provides real-time updates on stock prices and market news. Additional tips. Diversification. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in a mix of stocks and ETFs from different sectors and regions. Research. Before investing in any company or ETF, do your research to understand the risks and potential rewards. Start small. If you're new to investing, it's a good idea to start with a small amount of money and gradually increase your investments over time. Set goals. Determine your investment goals and create a plan to achieve them. Closing. With that said, opening a Newton account is a straightforward process that can open up a world of investment opportunities. By following these steps, you can start investing in global stocks and ETFs and potentially grow your wealth over time. So what are you waiting for? Download the Newton app and start your investment journey today. Thanks for watching, and until next time.